The Illinois Petroleum Resources Board's annual Summer Math and Science Teachers Program provides Illinois educators real-world insights into the state's oil production industry. This unique professional development opportunity features a field trip, including visits to a drilling site, production site, crude oil storage facility, and refinery. Participating teachers also attend a grade-specific petroleum-focused workshop and receive lesson plans based on Illinois State Board of Education approved curricula. They also take home a classroom activity kit featuring hundreds of dollars worth of classroom materials. Teachers who attend the program earn 37.5 professional development hours. Cost is $100 and includes lodging and meals for the duration of the 4-day program. All registration fees will go toward funding IPRB's annual Post-Secondary Education Oil and Gas Scholarship. Interested in becoming one of the nearly 800 Illinois educators to experience the IPRB Summer Teachers Program? Be sure to visit iprb.org to learn more and to sign up today.